Need to customize your dashboard? No problem! You can edit your existing dashboard layout where you can add and remove widgets of your choice. To edit your dashboard, choose the dashboard you want to edit from your dashboard homepage. If the dashboard name is in blue, it means that this is your selected dashboard. Click the Edit Layout icon located on the right side of the page. Start making changes on your dashboard by removing, adding, rearranging widgets on your workspace. You can also click the pencil icon beside the dashboard title to rename the dashboard. Once you have finalized your dashboard, click on Save Layout to save your edited dashboard.